Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're using Docker Desktop on Mac, you've probably been dealing with slow startup times, high memory usage, and battery drain. Let's compare 3 better options. First up is Orbstack. This is built just for Mac. It starts containers in under 2 seconds, which is crazy fast. Orbstack uses way less memory and Docker Desktop usually under 1 gigabyte. Your battery will last longer too. The problem is it costs $8 a month for work use. Also, it only works on Mac, so if your team uses different computers, this won't help everyone. Next is Colima. This one is completely free and open source. It's super light on resources where using only about 400 megabytes of memory when idle. Colima is command line only, no fancy buttons or menus. It works great for people who like typing commands. The downside is there's no visual interface at all. You need to set things up yourself, and it takes more steps than the other options. Then there's Podman. The big deal here is security. Podman doesn't use a background service, which makes it safer. Containers run without special admin rights, so if something breaks, your whole computer isn't at risk. Podman works on Mac, Windows, and Linux, so it's great for teams. The catch is some Docker Compose features need extra work. The interface isn't as nice as Orbstack, and you'll spend time learning the differences. So, which one should you pick? If you're on Mac and want the fastest, easiest option, get Orbstack. The cost is worth it for how smooth it runs. If you love the command line and want zero cost, go with Colima. It's perfect for simple setups. If security matters most or you work on different systems, choose Podman. It's the safest choice and works everywhere. Each tool does the job well. Pick based on your budget, your comfort with the terminal, and whether you need cross-platform support. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.